If Microsoft Edge is showing error code 0X80040C01, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get Edge working again. This is a common kind of issue that can happen after an update, a corrupted setting, or interference from security software. And the good news is that you can usually fix it without needing advanced technical skills. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Control Panel, then opening it from the results. Once you're inside Control Panel, look for the section that lets you manage programs. In many cases, you'll want to go into Programs and Features, or the area where Microsoft Edge settings can be changed. If you see Microsoft Edge listed, select it and look for an option to change, repair, or modify the installation. Depending on your system version, this may help refresh broken Edge files and fix the error code. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and let the process complete. After that, restart your computer and try opening Microsoft Edge again to see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next step is to temporarily disable your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs can block Edge from opening properly or interfere with updates and web components. Open your antivirus program and turn off real-time protection for a short time, just long enough to test Microsoft Edge. Make sure you only disable it temporarily and avoid browsing risky websites while it's off. Once the antivirus is disabled, try launching Edge on Edge again. If it works now, then you've likely found the cause, and you may need to add Microsoft Edge as an exception in your antivirus settings rather than leaving protection off. If Edge still is not working, the final step is to look for updates. Open Windows Settings, go to Update and Security, and check for the latest Windows updates. Install anything that's available, because missing system updates can sometimes trigger Edge errors. Also open Microsoft Edge's settings and check whether the browser itself has an update available. Keeping both Windows and Edge fully updated can fix compatibility problems and restore normal performance. After the updates finish, restart your PC one more time and test Microsoft Edge again. In most cases, one of these steps will solve error code 0X80040C01 and get the browser running properly. So to quickly recap, go to Control Panel and change or repair Microsoft Edge. Temporarily disable antivirus to see if it's blocking the browser, and then look for updates for both Windows and Edge. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another Microsoft Edge error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.